What's up guys, I'm David. This is my friend Vince Romanelli. And I think it's really important for guys to know that there are lots of other options other than surgery when it comes to making their hair look awesome. So one of my favorite concealers is a product called Dermmatch. I don't endorse Dermmatch in any kind of way. I don't make any money off of Dermmatch unless you happen to use my Amazon affiliate link and buy it from there. But I don't have really any affiliation with the company. I don't even actually like the company. I've called them once or twice and they're kind of rude on the phone. So just buy from them online, don't call them on the phone. Anyway, today we are going to do a Dermmatch test. As I said, it's one of my favorite concealers. One of the cool things about it is that it's somewhat waterproof. Actually, on the Dermmatch site, they say that Dermmatch is waterproof and that you can go swimming with Dermmatch in your hair. So I thought, you know what? Vince would look awesome in a wet white t-shirt. I mean, I think you can basically look at Vince and go, yeah, that's a dude I definitely want to see in a wet white t-shirt. So we're gonna do that today. We're gonna put Dermmatch all over Vince's hair. We're gonna make it look as awesome as possible, and then we're gonna dump a giant bucket of water on Vince, and we're gonna see if we get any Dermmatch on this beautiful white t-shirt that I've provided him with. Let's check out Vince's hair and just get a close-up of Vince's hair so we can see the before and after of what Dermmatch is going to do. There are lots of different concealer products. The most popular is generally the shake-on sort of fibers that make your hair look thicker. But one of the issues with that is that if you get rained on, you know, they could potentially come out, though they're really easy to put on, and I really enjoy using fibers as well. But I really like the Dermmatch because it sort of colors your skin and it helps your hair look great in ways that the fibers don't. Today, I don't have anything in my hair. This is just my hair naturally. Vince currently doesn't have anything in his hair, but we're gonna put some in right now. This is Vince's hair without anything in it. So as you can see, really, there's just a little bit of shedding in the back, which that's going to be really easy to disappear. I think a lot of guys start worrying when you can tilt your head up, Vince, when they see that little bit of thinning in the back. But the fact is, it's actually really easy to get rid of that. This is the before Dermmatch look. So the worst thing about Dermmatch, in my opinion, is the fact that it is a little bit tricky to put on. And the first couple of times that you put it on, you're probably going to screw it up and it's not going to look very good or very natural. So it definitely takes a little bit of work in the practice and the application. The shake-on fibers are a little bit easier to use and you can kind of get them down right away. But that said, once you figure out how to use the Dermmatch, it's pretty easy. Just get a little bit of Dermmatch on the applicator. I put a little bit of water in there that I can dip the brush into, and then you just pat it on. So when you're putting on the Dermmatch, you'll want to get it on the scalp. Obviously that's important, it's going to make a big difference. But the other thing is actually getting the Dermmatch on the hair itself. Because if you get it on the hair itself, it's going to thicken up each strand of hair. Alright, cool. So we just got finished putting the Dermmatch in Vince's hair. So Vince, you want to show us your hair from all these different angles? Alright. So yeah, definitely doesn't look like you've ever lost any hair. So that is the Dermmatch in Vince's hair. Just like that. Now, Dermmatch can make your hair a little bit frizzy, even though it makes it look super thick. So I'm going to use some of this Monat, or Monet. I'm not endorsed by this company either, but a fan of mine actually sent me this for free. So I wanted to say thank you so much to that guy for sending me this Monat, because this is awesome. So yeah, it's the best hair putty I've ever come across. So I'm going to stick some of this Monat in Vince's hair to unfrizz it, and then we are going to dump a giant bucket of water on his head.
Cool. Alright.
Yeah.
Am I less frizzy?
Yeah, it is less frizzy.
Alright, so I haven't seen it yet. I'm gonna take pictures and see how I'm nervous. That looks like I'm 20 years old again. That's amazing. That's incredible. That's incredible.
Here we go. Oh! Did it get on? No, it didn't.
Oh.
I don't think it got on.
It got.
No, I gotta do it again.
It got the left side of me. We get to do that again.
I get to do it again. I missed the first time.
I hate YouTube.
Second try pouring water on Vince's head with a head full of Dermmatch to see if it really is waterproof like they claim.
Gonna nail it this time.
I'm gonna nail it this time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it slowly this time.
Yep.
Oh,
I got colder.
I got it all over me too. That's
Awesome.
All right.
Well,
do you have Dermmatch all over your white shirt?
Doesn't look like it.
It doesn't look like you did. It actually works.
Stayed.
Oh my gosh. It's really waterproof after all. Dude, Dermmatch should totally pay us for this video.
They should.